Experiencing issues with the T-Mobile Digits app? Here's how to tackle common login and sync problems. First, ensure you have a strong network connection, such as 5G, 4G LTE, or stable Wi-Fi. Login failures often stem from expired sessions or weak signals. Try force stopping the app, then clear its cache and data. If that doesn't work, a reinstall may be necessary. Sync delays, where calls and texts aren't updating, can be resolved by disabling battery optimizations for the Digits app. If issues persist, check T-Mobile's support forums for server-side outages. Remember, Digits relies on real-time data exchange, so network reliability is key. Be sure to have 2FA authentication enabled. Setting up multiple lines on Digits can be tricky. Ensure your OS is compatible with Android 13 Plus or iOS 18 Plus. If you encounter setup halts, especially on Android, consider using a beta APK from T-Mobile's channel if provided. When scanning QR codes or entering setup codes manually, grant all necessary permissions for calls, texts, and data. For login lockouts during T-Mobile network outages, switch to Wi-Fi and try the web portal. Always keep your app updated and check your T-Mobile account status via the My T-Mobile portal. Avoid running Digits with VPNs or ad blockers, as they can sometimes cause conflicts. Restarting your device should be the first step to troubleshooting any problem. If problems remain, reach out to T-Mobile support.